Hello, this is Rick Winter from the ECLA Help Desk. I'm going to be talking about internal and external coaching conversions procedure. Note this can be for any funding stream. We're talking right now about RTT, but it could be any funding stream. Okay, there are going to be two different videos here. And they will depend on the status of your coaching requisition. If it's preliminary, status, or waitlist, it will be part 1. If it's approved, it will be part 2. Okay, so we're on part 1. So when you're working with a requisition, the status will change depending on where you are in the process, but once the status change, all the actions will change depending on whatever the status is. So for example, if you're in preliminary status, you have these actions, and on that action list is the switching between internal and external coaching types. And also on waitlist is the switch between internal and external coaching types. So I'll show you in more detail where you'll see this. So for the when you want to convert a requisition from internal coaching to external coaching, the general steps are you go to the coaching requisition, you verify the coach in the assigned to field, you choose action, switch between internal and external types, and then you click save. So we're going to do that right now. So I am going into Sugar. I will be going to applications. Okay, and I'm going to use Bill RTTQI, our test site. Okay, and you can see that the application is waitlisted. And then also there, I scrolled down in the application to the bottom, and there are requisitions listed. There are two. There's the waitlisted external coaching and the waitlisted dollars. We're going to click on the link to go to the waitlisted external coaching. And you'll see the external coaching. If you scroll and see the under key contacts, the assigned to is who the coach is. So you want to verify that before you go too far, or you'll have more work to do. So the main coach for this provider is Bill Bleakley. Okay, and then I scrolled back up in the requisition actions section. There's the actions field. I click on that, and I'm going to choose switch between internal and external coaching types. Right now you'll notice that this is external coaching. I click save, and now it's internal coaching. And I can go back to the application. And now you see that we got the requisition bill internal coaching, and it's the same hours. We're going to go back again. It's 7.5 hours. And the bill, well, the dollars waitlisted wasn't changed. So I'm going to go back in. We'll just repeat it because you can go both directions. So I'm going to go this time in the internal coaching requisition, which is where most of you will be that need to convert. Some of you have, the default is internal coaching for requisitions, and you'll have to change them to external if you have that requisition type. So again, what I did is I went to verify the assigned to, which is the coach, and you can always click on the pencil and type in the new coach's name if you need to. Okay, but the actual steps are going to requisition actions, switch between internal and external. Before I do that, notice again that this is internal. I click the switch and click save. And then This now is external coaching. We'll be continuing on with part 2 when the status is not waitlisted or preliminary.